Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I just wanted to, this is not really going to be a tutorial video today. I'm basically just showing you a couple of the things that I've been working on, and I will come back on here later and show you how I put one of these together. But what I have been working on are some mini Christmas junk journals. These are made out of envelopes. And I'm actually going to be using these for some of my Christmas cards this year, for the more special people in my life. But it's got the tie that closes the front part. This is an envelope here, and this is an envelope, and then it opens this way, and then this way. And I still have all of the embellishments that I need to do. Then you open it up, and then you have this is going to have embellishments. Then you have a place for a signature. I wouldn't do a real thick signature in it. Then you've got a pocket here, and then there's room for stuff on the back. That's one of them. This one here is same basic style. And again, I still need to put all of the embellishments and stuff on it and really get it to that finished look. But I just have the envelopes there that open this way. Then you can come here. This one I did go ahead and put a little flap. Again, this one is not completed either. I still have to do the embellishments. This one I've done something different. I just put some little cards on the inside instead of a signature. So, you know, again, it has to be finished. This one's my favorite one so far, and same thing, I still need to put the embellishments and really get it to that fine-tuned finished state. But this one I absolutely love. I use the little twine for the tie. This is actually going to have a little side tuck right here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there yet, or what I'm going to do here. This has a side tuck. It's got the pocket. But check out this. I put one of those money envelopes in it. So I'm going to put a large long tag in there, but I did create a pocket there. I'm still not real sure what I'm going to do on this page here. And then, oh, on the back I do already have two little pockets. And then when you open this one up, it has this pretty little Christmas page here with a pocket. And then I have another signature. Now, I've done something different. I've only glued the signature in. So we will see how this signature holds up. I'll kind of, you know, mess with this one a lot before I actually send it out. I have a pocket here and a pocket here. And I'm not sure how I am going to do this down. I don't know if I'm going to do a button and tie closure. I don't know if I'm going to do a magnet or if I'm going to do Velcro. So again, this is just one of those things where I've got the main part of it done. I just have to work on all of the embellishments, and that's what requires the thought for me. And so last night I was just like, no, I am not doing it. I will show you real quickly kind of what I've done to do that journal. Let me see. I'm just grabbing 4 different envelopes of varying sizes. Or actually 6. See, I can't even count this morning. So you do want your the two back envelopes, you do want those to be the same size. And so those are going to go, the envelopes will be facing the same direction. And what I do is I put a 1/4 inch score right here on this so that I make myself a little spine. As you can see, I make myself a little spine for the journal. And again, I will come back on here in a little bit with a full-length tutorial video. Maybe not full-length, because these things take a little while to do. But this is, I have the 2 envelopes facing the same direction. Then I'm going to take the other envelopes, and then you just kind of play around with how you want them to be placed. So I think I'm going to do maybe like this, and maybe like this. so that whenever it's completed and I've put it together, and I like to have them a little staggered, and then it just kind of opens, and this is how you end up with the book. Again, I will be on here later. I don't know if I'll go live. I may try to do a live. It just all depends on YouTube. Sometimes YouTube can be quite ridiculous when it comes to stuff like that. Some of the stuff that I have used are some digital downloads that I got off of Etsy. There are, if you haven't been on there to look, there are some beautiful digital download junk journal kits. Shabby Dabby Doodah is one of my favorites on there. This particular kit did not come from Shabby Dabby Doodah, Tina. And I don't remember who this one came from. It might have been Artie Mays. I'm not sure, or Artzology. I don't remember. It's just the last 24 hours have seemed like a whole week all by itself. Artzology, that's who it was. This is where I got this design off of Etsy from that shop. And it was like a 68 or 69 piece digital junk journal kit for a very reasonable price. So there's all sorts of stuff in there that I'll use. And then of course, you know, some of the other different stuff that I'll use. It's not all from Artzology, but that is a good part of this journal. So anyway, make sure you tune in. I will be either uploading another video this afternoon, or I will be going live. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, it just really depends on YouTube and their system today, and I guess my wireless connection. Yeah. So anyway, I'm in my happy place. I'm in my craft room. I've got everything ready. I've got, you know, my daubers with, you know, and I have the different colors. I have not all of my inks. I have a bunch of inks. Distress oxides tend to be my favorite. This is a whole thing of different size envelopes that I love to use. I have some really cute hole punches here. Then these are just the typical round paper punch and the corner punch. Always have to have pencils when I'm doing some of my stuff. Oh, let me show you this. This was one of my newest purchases that I just got. And this is the Faux Memo little sticker printer. This thing is absolutely amazing for junk journals, for bullet journals, for life in particular. These are just a couple of the stickers that I printed off of it last night. I started coloring. It only prints black and white, but that's okay because you can color it in or you can leave it black and white. This is one of the little stickers. As you can see, I started kind of coloring it in. There's another little sticker. And it even prints photos. So I may do a review on that later as well. But just stick around because I've got a lot of things coming up, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting video. I've been recording videos, but I don't know. I am my own worst critic and I end up not posting them. But Miss Liz at Liz for a Day, go check out her channel. She got on to me. So, yes, ma'am, Miss Liz. I am posting some more videos, and she wanted a craft room tour, and I am not quite ready for the craft room tour because I've got my big embroidery machine that's it's going right now, and so when the embroidery machine is going, there's thread flying because I just don't have time to be, you know, I aim towards the garbage can, but that's about all I do. I do have my sewing machine set up. I have my closets, you know, and they're halfway organized. But again, I'm my own worst critic. I do have, let me see if I can pan this over a little bit. As you can see, I have some of these things set up. This is, and you know, because I have to be organized. If I am not organized, there are two things. I cannot cook in a dirty kitchen, and I cannot work in a dirty craft room. I cannot do my bullet journals, my junk journals, nothing like that. So I am going to get some things ready. and I will come back on here in a little bit with some either another a live video doing the mini Christmas journal, and then I will, if that one won't be live, it will be uploaded later today. And then I'm also going to do a review for you on the Faux Memo little sticker printer. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it, and I promise I will start uploading videos regularly because, number one, I love to journal. I may even do a flip through of my personal journal. It's one of the huge alligator mouths, and I think it's time to start a new one, but yeah, I'm really bad about it. So anyway, you guys have a good day, and until I talk to you a little bit later this afternoon, ta-ta.